Sage Business Cloud Honest Review. Watch before using. Sage Business Cloud is designed as a comprehensive, cloud-based accounting and financial management solution aimed primarily at small to medium-sized businesses. If you're looking for a tool to handle accounting, payroll, payments, and more, this platform offers an all-in-one solution. One of the key strengths of Sage Business Cloud is its flexibility. It provides a suite of features that can be tailored to different industries, including retail, manufacturing, and services. It's a robust system that covers essentials like invoicing, tracking expenses, managing cash flow, and automating bank reconciliations. For business owners or accountants, Sage Business Cloud offers powerful reporting tools, giving you real-time insights into your financials. The dashboard is intuitive, making it easy to navigate for those without extensive accounting knowledge. Additionally, the payroll feature streamlines tax compliance and automates salary payments, which is essential for growing businesses. However, Sage Business Cloud is not perfect. The learning curve can be steep for beginners, especially for those who haven't worked with accounting software before. While the interface is user-friendly, the depth of the features might feel overwhelming at first. On the pricing side, Sage Business Cloud is relatively affordable, but you need to be aware that some advanced features are locked behind higher-tier plans. This is something to consider if your business has specific needs, like advanced reporting or inventory management. Furthermore, customer support has received mixed reviews, with some users finding it helpful, while others have experienced delays in response times. In summary, Sage Business Cloud is ideal for businesses needing scalable accounting software that grows with them. If you can invest the time in learning the platform and are willing to pay for the higher-tier features, it's a solid choice. However, if you're looking for something more straightforward with minimal setup time, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, Sage Business Cloud is powerful, but it's not without its challenges, so consider your business's specific needs before diving in.